Hi everyone! In this video, we'll go over how to change the background color in Adobe Illustrator. By default, your artboard color is set to white, but if you'd like to change it, it's simple to do. First, head to the top of your screen and click on the File menu. From there, choose Document Setup. This will open up a panel with several options. In this panel, you'll see a section called Transparency and Overprint Options. This is where we can adjust the background color. Click on the top color box and select a new color for your background. Then click on the checkbox for Simulate Colored Paper. Finally, click OK. If it doesn't do anything for you, keep in mind that this is a glitch within Illustrator. Scroll all the way down until the artboard is no longer visible, then scroll back up. You should now have your new background color. This won't print with your design, but it's great for visualizing how your work looks on different backgrounds. And that's it. Now you can easily change the background color in Illustrator to suit your project needs. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.